What is up, guys? Today you have downloaded Filmit TextPilot and you want to learn how to use the tool. Let's get started. As always, thank you for supporting Filmit.io. Without you, we could not make these products, and with you, we can make a lot more. Okay, so as always, if you need to install the plugin, leave a comment down below and I will point you in the right direction to find out how to do that. Also, you can read the help file. Now, as always, go to Window, find TextPilot, let's open it up. And it looks like this at the start. So TextPilot, there's a scan project button, a search and replace, and apply bulk changes button. So first off, this project, I'll explain it. There's several chapters. Each chapter has lines of text. It's a testing project. Now in your composition, there may be different organizational standards and your text could be all over the place, different comps. But TextPilot can read the entire project. Let's do scan project. And what it does is puts every single line of text in this project in this window right here. So you can see everything. Also, if you want to be a little more granular, you can actually just jump through the chapters. In my case, it's chapters. In your case, it may be named something else. Where let's go to chapter 3. Let's jump to line 18 and click jump. From here, we can find the layers we need to find quickly. From here, you could just retype the text. Line 17, no turning back, yes turning back, and hit apply. And it changes the text for us. Also, we can do a mass search and replace. That's pretty easy, very self-explanatory. Not a mass search and replace, but just a general search and replace. But here is the real bulk of what this can do. So we have all of our lines here. What I can do is just copy all of this. Paste this into ChatGPT, line by line, change nothing about formatting, translate this into Spanish. There's all the lines from that text, and it spits out this for me. Let's click copy, go back to After Effects, and paste. Now, sometimes when you paste a big block of text in here, you'll get an extra little line right here. Let's delete that. The extra little line there can like freak out TextPilot sometimes, so it's better just to delete it. And then all we do is hit apply bulk changes. And now everything in this project has been translated into Spanish. From here, we can hit scan project again. It'll update all these bottom layers, chapter 6, chapter 3. As you can see, we could jump to all these different projects. And yeah, this is a really great tool for speeding up your workflow. And if your client's like, we need this video in 19 different languages in your explainer vid, this is a way to do it really fast. And as always, thank you for being a part of Filmit.io. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.